You want to know more about the EN 16005 safety standard and its requirements for automatic sliding doors. Cool, let's start with the context. First, is it a law? An automatic door is a machine. Therefore, all installations must comply with the machinery legislation, which is law. The easiest way to meet these safety requirements is to follow the harmonized safety standard EN 16005. To meet the provisions, you must use EN 16005 approved sensors and install the sensors according to the standard requirements. Okay? Then your installation is EN 16005 ready. Secondly, what does it say? Any dangerous contact of the door set with the user shall be prevented. In building environments where users may include elderly, infirm, disabled persons or young children, any contact with the automatic door is unacceptable, regardless of the door type. Based on your own risk assessment, you can therefore distinguish between two types of environments, a high-risk and a tolerated risk environment. In a high-risk environment, full safety coverage is mandatory to avoid any risk of contact. What are the risk areas and how to protect them? During closing, any contact in the door threshold must be avoided. The main closing edge must be secured. During opening, the side screen must also be safe to avoid contact. Let's check out our solutions for automatic sliding doors. The IXIO D secures the door threshold and the main closing edge during closing. Combined with the IXIO S for side screen safety during opening, it offers a complete solution for sliding doors. The Aurascan secures the main closing edge and provides complete threshold coverage with very high resolution, thanks to its laser technology. It maximizes safety, goes beyond EN 16005 requirements, and helps eliminate residual risk. In addition, it can also ensure side screen safety during opening, providing an all-in-one solution avoiding all risks with one single kit. Structural protection measures remain an alternative solution for ensuring side screen safety. In building environments where users are very unlikely to be elderly, disabled persons or young children, the risk of contact can be tolerated. It all depends on your own risk assessment. In a tolerated risk environment, the door threshold and the main closing edge must be secured during closing. This can be achieved by using an IXIO D. With its laser technology, the Aurascan ensures high-resolution detection across the entire threshold while securing the main closing edge. It enhances user safety and exceeds EN 16005 requirements. However, there is an exception where a full safety coverage is needed even in a tolerated risk environment. If the distance between the wall and the moving leaf is less than or equal to 20 centimeters, the related side screen must be safe to avoid crushing risk using an IXIO S, a structural means of protection or low-energy movement. The Aurascan offers a full safety coverage including the threshold, main closing edge and side screen safety. Moreover, escape route regulations vary from country to country. Regarding the solution you use and your environment, make sure that the door will open by 80% within 3 seconds after activation, or 5 seconds for telescopic doors. Make sure to install a certified escape route radar to activate the door. The detection zone in the escape direction shall be not less than 1.5 meter measured from the center of the opening width of the door set and shall cover at least the entire opening width of the door set. Now let's summarize. Door safety depends on the risk assessment based on the environment and its users. Full safety coverage is required in high-risk environments where users can be elderly, disabled, or children, or the distance with the wall is less than or equal to 20 centimeters. When contact is tolerated, the coverage of the threshold and the main closing edge during closing is required. Be aware that the opening function of sensors are also subject to local regulations when the door is an escape route. Now you are better informed about the EN 16005 and the legal requirements regarding sensors. Don't hesitate to spread the word.